Well, we all know how expensive it is to pay for legal services, and that's why the organization you're about to hear about provides services for the underserved in 6 parishes around the Crescent City. Joining us live this morning is Jennifer Rizzo and Seth Bloom to tell us all about an upcoming fundraiser for the Pro Bono Project. So thank you for coming. What do we need to know?
Well, it's going to be a great event this year. It's next week, Friday. This is our biggest fundraiser of the year. It brings in about 1/3 of our operating budget, and it's a chance for us to be able to bring in some money so we can serve people who are low income that need lawyers that can't afford lawyers.
And Jennifer and I were talking. She was telling me that some of the services that the Pro Bono Project offers is anything from creating a will to if you're getting a divorce, really any civil case if you meet the guidelines. And explain that for us.
Sure, we help anyone that qualifies as low income, so below the federal poverty guidelines. They just have to have a civil claim. We do everything on the range of family law to consumer issues, bankruptcy, estates, end of life care, that type of stuff. There are a lot of people that just can't afford a lawyer that need legal help.
And Seth, that's what you guys are trying to do to afford that help. You're looking to raise $250,000 on Friday. How are you guys going to do that?
Well, hopefully we're going to do more than that. And, this is really the marquee event in the legal community in New Orleans. We're expecting to have a really exciting event on Friday night. Solomon Group, my co-chair is Gary Solomon Jr. Because Solomon Group's going to do it, it's going to be an amazing event. We're really having a lot of interesting technical stuff and production value. So it's really going to be a good party. So we really want to raise that money. We're going to have an amazing auction. In addition to that, we're still looking for more corporate sponsors. So that's kind of why we're on here today. And our corporate sponsorship begins at $1,500 and goes up from there. But we really need some more corporate sponsors. Gary and myself are very involved in the community, and we give to a lot of different things. We'd really like to see some of those corporations outside of the legal community really come in, because what the Pro Bono Project does is it helps us in the 6 parish area as a society completely. I mean, providing these much needed legal services just does an amazing job for the community, its well-being.
And Jennifer, what is the need like here for those services?
I mean, it is huge. There are, I think it's 1 to 6. There's only 1 lawyer to every 6 people who actually need a lawyer that can't afford to pay for one. I mean, and actually the biggest number is children that are in need, that need help, that are in custody proceedings, that are immigrants, that can't find counsel. It's huge. And so this event allows us to focus on our mission, talk about what we do. We're so grateful to have people like Seth and Gary who are young and energetic and supportive of our mission, because really pro bono is such an important ethos as a lawyer. It's something that every lawyer should do. Is your way of giving back. It's a privilege to be a lawyer. It's great to give back and help others.
And everybody can help. The Justice for All Ball is happening September 16th. They are still looking for those corporate sponsors. If you want to go, it's from 8 to midnight at the Audubon Tea Room. For more information, log on to the website or call the number on your screen.